Hey guys, it's Maddie. Welcome to the video. Moto vlog. Let's go. Guys, the Moto vlogs are back. Go, Abby! Abby! Rider thoughts, go.
Track's good.
Cool helmet.
Well, it's not sandy anymore because it rained.
That's good.
Yeah.
Cool
And
bike.
1%.
Oh, we probably should head back.
I gotta go get a different bike.
Rider thoughts, go.
Track's good. Track is good.
Hey, you copied me.
Yeah, the track's good. I'm sitting out here, 38 years old. With
38.
doing good out here.
I didn't know you were 38.
Yeah, 38. What do you think?
I thought you had
I still
a
ride
big
good for
birthday
38.
this year.
Yeah, I thought you had
Oh,
your
yeah.
big birthday.
Actually, I'm 40.
Oh, yikes.
Tough to
Maybe
say.
10 more
Tough-
years older than that.
It's my birthday. And I'm 50. This jump's all right here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then that one after that corner.
Alright guys, let's go. Let's see if Abigail's gonna make it back to the hangar before the bike dies. It's at 1%. Also guys, riding with one hand on big track. Whee! Here we go! Yay! Where's the Abigail? Where is she? Oh, there she is. You made it! Now go pick a bike out of our collection of dirt bikes. First bike we got is the one I built, which is the Mini. You did not build it? Yes, I did. Okay, and you've seen the vlogs. You know I built this one. Are you not taking this one? She's gonna take a Tesla dirt bike. This is the Tesla dirt bike because I don't know how to pronounce the brand of dirt bike it is, and it looks like a Tesla bike.
Yeah, doesn't it look so cool?
You do look so cool. Wait for me! Also guys, the bike I use for transportation around the track is the Mantis RAR bike. I like this one a lot. The RAR bike's my favorite. This is the big version, and the one I built, which is the tiny one over there. That's the Mini. Now let's go ride. Let's go get some more epic video of the dirt bikes. Day in the life as a dirt bike filmer. Let's go! This is fun. Track. Check out this dirt, guys. It's money. Very nice. Nice explosion.
Yeah, I know, right?
Tabletop. Wait, what are we doing? The tabletop?
Yeah.
Which one, that one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go, everyone. Whee! Alright, let's get back on the bike. Let's get another clip, everyone. Oh, look, there's Abby, my favorite rider. Go, Abby!
Okay, I want to watch.
Pretty epic.
Yeah, let's go over here.
Pew, pew.
Okay, now I want to. That's how it feels.
That's how you feel?
Yeah.
All right, let's watch your clip. What do you think?
It's tiny.
It's a little tiny. It's perfect. It's so cute.
Good.
All right, guys, here's a POV of Madeline riding one-handed in track. Let's go! I don't like this hill because I don't jump it. Ah, whee! Big turn, here we go. They're catching up to me. Hey, guys. Rider thoughts.
Track is money. Get so much traction, send it through the turns, hit the jumps, go really fast.
Jerry Sanderson.
Send it, bro.
Yeah, Dad's bike's cooler. Yeah, he's got those gold rims.
Gold wheels.
All right, guys, we're about to get the coolest dirt bike jump shot ever featuring Dad. So wait for him to come. Oh, here they come. Nice.
Even. Oh, let me go.
Oh no, we're on the third bike and they're all dead. We gotta charge them. All right, let's go to the next spot. RTR bike. Abby's on her fourth bike up today. The RTR Mantis Mini, the one I built. Go check out the video link in the description. I definitely totally built that one. What is this, Abby?
Fourth bike.
Fourth bike of the video.
Yeah.
Which one we got?
The RTR Mini Mantis.
Nice! Well, how's your jumps going?
Can I see a video? One jump at a time.
The stuff of legends, one jump at a time.
Wow. Where's the little pumpkin? Oh, and Penny. Hi, Pen Pen. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. That is the dirt bike vlog of the week. Let me know if you want any more dirt bike vlogs and what else I should do. We rode dirt bikes in the cave in this next video, so click it. I'm not joking, we did. Okay, bye. A cave. Here's Colin, by the way. You can slow down.
What's up?
Meow, 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 meow.
You need to put that at the end. Yeah.